Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the ILAOLIU brand, their carbon fiber and aluminum slim minimalist wallet for men. Holds up to 11 credit cards, has a clear ID top you can see right there. It's RFID blocking, it has a cash clip, a magnetic buckle, and it's black. The company provides a full lifetime warranty on this product, which is really great. So this is a large capacity. I'm going to show you, I've got everything loaded up in here. I'll show you all of what I've got in here. So this is replacing this large wallet. Look at the difference in size and thickness and weight. So that's what's great. You can minimize what you have, what you're carrying. So let's take a look at this. This front piece right here is nice so that you could have your driver's license there and slide it out just like that. Now I have this card in here that comes with that. I can't use my driver's license because it will be used on the internet. But take a look at this. This is the same thickness of a driver's license card. And they do have the contact information for the company on there. And again, you could register the warranty there for that lifetime warranty. But let's take a look at the overall function of this thing. It's really cool looking. As you can tell, it's carbon fiber pattern on here. They stitched in carbon fiber to make it strong. It has screws inside here for durability, locking it in to the all aluminum sides on here. You can see right there are some rivets. On the side here you do have an opening so that you could put a loop on there of some kind if you wanted to do that, but it is available. And here is a basic clip that you can hold some cash on just like that. And your most used credit card could be put right here so that you can gain access to it. And here's the cool thing, there's a magnetic latch right there, and you just pull on that latch and you get access to all your other credit cards. There's a stack of them in here. As you can tell, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 credit cards right there. And you just slide them back in place. And then this is magnetically held in place like that. Even that is carbon fiber on there. This thing literally looks bulletproof. Like if you were wearing this, a bullet wouldn't even go through this. That's how durable this feels, the material on here. This money clip is really strong. It's not going to lose your money right there. You can put money also inside this piece right here, as I demonstrated, set of credit cards. You could add some money there too if you want to clip this on to your body. That would work also. So this is nice because this is set up to be really smooth inside there so that you can push this out easily if you had to. But what's nice is that if you have your driver's license there, then if you're being stopped by an officer, you just can show them the driver's license right there. You don't have to remove anything. And I put my insurance cards behind it plus my driver's license. I just love the ruggedness of this. And it's also RFID blocking, so that your credit cards aren't going to be exposed if somebody tries to scan them. They won't get access to your credit card. And this looks like it's going to last forever. It's just really durable. So I'm impressed how much this holds, how light it is, and how much it's going to help me to replace this huge wallet in size and weight. So I like this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.